the sanskars which you have generated as a result of your actions, what happens? The fructification of a sanskar is an important concept for you to understand, so that you understand impulses se kya hota hai, how it directs my action. Through your actions you have generated sanskars in your mind, they get lodged in your memory. Once they get lodged in your memory, आपके अंदर भी एक memory bank है ना? In fact, most of your thoughts are memories. So, when your memory is filled with these sanskars, according to your sanskars will be your impulses. It generates your impulses. There can be, impulse may not even be the right term here, but why I am giving you this is, suppose there are negative sanskars in the mind, then usually impulses come out, which means you are only half aware of them. You understand? If there are too many negative sanskars and they impel you towards action, this is always the sequence: memory, impulse and action. Memory is sanskars lodged in your mind, they create impulses for you and goad you towards particular actions. Now the way to overcome this cycle, again those actions will create further sanskars, है ना? Let me give you an example, तभी आपको पता चलेगा. Let's take the simple example of cigarette smoking. Maybe you have that habit, you want to overcome that habit. अब क्या हो रहा है, एक बार आपने सिगरेट पी लिया तो एक संस्कार क्रिएट हो गया. That will make you want to smoke a cigarette again and again. The slightest cues, you saw a man smoking or the smell of nicotine and immediately you want to hold a cigarette. Or you saw an advertisement and you want to, although the statutory warning is always there, still incentive salience, the craving will be there to smoke a cigarette. Now you see, because in your memory the sanskars have become lodged of cigarette smoking. Whether you like it or not, uchit ho ya na ho us jagah pe, still you will want to do it. Now that impulsively you will hold a cigarette and light it. It pushes you towards the action. Doing this again and again creates, this is a cycle again, you see, will create the sanskar, again the whole thing keeps getting repeated. Now the way to break this habit, stop this, is you must be able to delink memory and impulse. You can delink. How do you delink memory and impulse? इसका मतलब है अगर आपके मन में भी आए एक desire, the impulse should not come. I must be able to stop there. It's just another thought. The impulse should not get generated. How is this possible? This is only possible if you have replaced cigarette with something else which is more attractive to you. You understand? It can be some soft drink which you took as a replacement for the habit of smoking. It can be some particular food. It can be your study material which you like more. It can be your laptop. It can be anything which you use as a substitute for the cigarette. Whenever you feel the urge to smoke, no, rather do that. Rather see some good thing on your mobile. Hear a good YouTube talk. But that is the way to replace these things. I told you habits can be replaced. That is the way to overcome them. Sanskars can be replaced. So you can delink memory and impulse if you create enough good sanskars in your mind. Even if the memory of the cigarette comes to your mind, the impulse will not come. The two have got, you have broken the cycle. And this will naturally create another stop between the impulse and the action. So when the impulse is not coming, the action will not take place. A time gap has been created. So you have enough time to think of the harmful effects of cigarette smoking. You understand? Impulsive behavior would have gone by this. इसीलिए create the good sanskars in your mind. The heart of this is this much only. कि good habits, good sanskars in your mind. देखिए, another common example which many in IIT have asked me is inability to get up early in the morning. Is this true? With all of you? Maybe you work till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, some even till 3 o'clock I heard. And then you are not able to get up early in the morning. But all of us keep telling you it's very good to get up early, to bed early, to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Now what to do? How to develop this habit of getting up early? क्या होता है? Many times if you maybe at 12 o'clock you decided I will get up at 5 o'clock and you set your alarm and you went to sleep. At 5 o'clock, as soon as the alarm rang, this is what you did, you see. what is given in the slide. You threw the alarm or put and went back to sleep. Now यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, देखिए जल्दी उठने के संस्कार है नहीं मन में, so the memory of sleeping pushes you towards the action. Here it's actually inaction. It is going back to sleep. The memory impulse action generated as a result of lack of sanskars of getting up early push you towards sleep alone. So then how to change this situation? I will force myself to get up early for a week through the alarm, and I will create at that time an atmosphere and ambience which I will like. Maybe you go out on a walk, or in IIT you can do so many things. The air is so crisp, you can do something in the playground, you can take good exercise, you can do yoga, you can go into very good reading at that time, thoda योग कर लिया या थोड़ा prayer किया. How many things you can do? Once you get a taste for these things, you have created enough sanskars to break this cycle. You understand? Once you get a taste for these things, so then this memory impulse action cycle will get broken. So when your alarm rings after a week, naturally you will get up, not with anger. You understand? You can break this cycle. This is what I am trying to tell you. This is how the fructification of a sanskar takes place, and you can change anything you want to change in your life. You can delink memory and impulse. You can stop an action, a wrong action. At any point of time you can do this.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.